Hello, Trisong. Hello, Tenzin. Come on. Come on, Tenzin. Do you want to show us how to prostrate? Come, Tenzin, come. Okay, Trisong wants to show first. Okay, Trisong, what did you say?
I don't know.
Okay, it's your turn to do prostration. Show us how to do it. Okay, so how do you fold your hands? Show me how do you fold your hands and what do you do with the thumb? Okay, all right, that's very good. And then show me how do you fold your thumbs? Okay, and your hands? Okay, now do it. That's it. First on your head, second on your forehead, third on your throat, and fourth on your heart. Yes, Tenzin? Next time, would you please do it a bit slower?
Okay.
So others can see. And your thumbs, please. Don't forget. Okay, first on top of the head, forehead, now throat. Okay, now on your heart. And then you kneel down, place your knees on the ground, your palms on the ground, and your forehead on the ground, yeah? Okay, and then the last time. Lama la gyap su chiu. Your thumbs, Tenzin, don't forget your thumbs. Lama la gyap su chiu, Sangye la gyap su chiu, Che la gyap su chiu, Gendun la gyap su chiu. That's it. Very good, Tenzin. Very good. Thank you for showing us how to do prostration.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.